Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and click on sign in to create your account. But if you do have an account, all you need to do, just go and click at login, and let's get straight to Instagram. So, first of all, if you want to block a user, all we need to do first is to find the user that you want to ban. So let's just look around for a user that we want to ban. Let's say, for example, I want to block this Chiorito user. Just click on his profile. All I need to do if I want to ban him, just go, if you can see on the top right corner, there are three dots there. Just go and click on them. And as you can see here, we have the block option here. If you want to block it, just click at block, and as you can see, they will tell you blocked Torito. They will be able to message you, or they won't be able to message you or find your profile post or stories. They won't be notified that you blocked them. And you have here two options. You can just block this account, or you can block his account, or maybe if he creates a new account, it will be blocked as well, so he cannot like contact you or see your posts, see your stories, send you a message. He can't do anything or interact with you. So if you want to block, just click on the block, and as you can see, you will not be able to see any of his posts, his stories as well. You cannot click on them and see them. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.